Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. Today we are reviewing these lip and cheek tints by Just Herbs, and today we'll be discussing all about the price, the quality, and how to use them, all the goods and bads about them. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about the packaging first. So this is how the bottle looks. So basically it comes with the outer carton packaging as well. I don't have that with me here for any of them, but they do come in the outer packaging. And after this is a glass kind of bottle with a plastic cap. Inside this you have this cover. This is pretty sturdy, so this really protects the product from getting spilled, even though it won't. It is a creamy matte formula, but still it really protects the product from spilling or coming out. And overall this is a good packaging, I would say. And the entire the quantity of this entire thing is 4 grams, so that's pretty good because you use very little amount of it, so this will last you for a very long time. Like one of it, I have it for more than a year and it has lasted me till now, so I don't think you will require a lot of product. When it comes to the consistency, this is of creamy matte consistency, which means this is not going to give you that dry patchy skin after the usage. If I show you here, this is pretty creamy and this really gets blended in completely, so you won't need a lot of like tugging to your skin or anything. So a simple mix with a brush or even with your fingers, it would give you a cute little tint on the cheek, on the eyelids, on the lips, anywhere you want. On the website you will see that there are 13 different shades for this, and they include all the different shade ranges from reds to pinks, plums, brown and oranges. With me I have 4 shades here, which is brick red, peachy coral, mahogany, rose coral, and I'll show you the swatches of each of them towards the end of the video. And they retail for MRP of $6.95, but on the website you will always have some kind of offers like buy 3 at $8.99 or something, so that's pretty affordable in that point of view. And on other websites other places also like Nykaa, Myntra or Amazon, you'll find it and it will be close to 500 that you will find it after the discount. So overall, what my verdict would be that these are pretty good tints. And first of all, the best part is that this is 3 in 1, so you don't have to carry a lot of makeup, like even when you're going to office or college or even to some event. This is a very good product, that one thing you carry with you and this can serve all the purpose. This is pretty pigmented, like I don't know if it is visible here or not, like I'll show you in the swatches later on. Like they are really pigmented, they are buildable, and the best part is that since this is a Ayurvedic herbal type of company, so they do not break out. Like my skin is pretty sensitive, and as per my experience, they haven't I haven't faced any kind of issues on the skin. And even when you go onto the website, you'll be seeing that they claim that this is a paraben free product, cruelty free, vegan, and it is 100% natural, and they do not use any kind of harmful chemicals. And in fact, like they have used jojoba oil and javitri, etc., and all these kind of ingredients. So for all those details you can go to the website. Overall, this is a very good product to go for. And let's go ahead with the swatches first then. First one here is brick red 01, and this is a absolute red color. This is a very beautiful red. So this shade brick red would really work very good for like a red lip, if you want to like replace any lipstick for any tint. So this is a very good shade for it. It's very pigmented, like you can see. If you apply it in good amount, it is a lot of color. So the second shade here is peachy coral. Now this is a very cute orange shade. It's very light, very muted shade of orange. So if you apply it on a small quantity, this will give you a light peachy color. But if you put it in good quantity, this is going to give you really bright peach color. And this is a little pinkish also. So this goes with everything. Like this is a go-to for all the college goers and the office goers. Third shade here is 04 Mahogany. And just to tell you guys, like this is not how I received the product. I have accidentally broken it while traveling. And this is by far the most used color of them all. So if you see, it's like really dirty also. And here we are almost about to hit the pan. And this is a very, very beautiful mauve shade. And this really goes with everything, any kind of, Western dresses, Indian dresses, date nights, anything. It goes with any and everything, and it looks really beautiful if you put it on a like on your cheek as a tint. It is also very nice and subtle, but you can also go darker with it to have a more plum like color if you want to go for the lips. So that's how the color pays off. So the last shade that I have with me is 07 Rose Coral. This is also a very beautiful color. This is pretty new to this collection of mine, and the color is such an amazing shade, and you'll see for yourself now. I'll show it to you. Like if you put a very light shade, it gives you this little brownish color. But if I put it in good quantity, this is such a beautiful burnt orange brown shade. And this is a very, very beautiful color for anyone who wants to go for any darker shades for eyeshadows and the lip. So these are all the shades that I have. Overall, this was my analysis of these lip and cheek tint. They are really good and you can go for it. And it might seem a little pricey if you like buy a single product, but there are multiple options on the website also. Like you can buy 3 at once, or maybe a pack of 2 or anything. That is a very good deal, and believe me, this is a one-time kind of an investment. You just buy once and you are set for at least 1 year or more than that. So overall, this is a very, very good product. I would highly recommend everyone to go for it. And I hope you have like enjoyed it. I was informative enough to give you some insight. And for more such videos, you can subscribe to this channel and show us some love. Thank you so much. Bye.